Hinge repair on Infinix Inbook X1 laptop. Thank you, Sir Adolf Vincent, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. The Infinix Inbook X1 XL11 laptop was brought in for service due to a malfunctioning hinge. The user reported difficulty in opening and closing the laptop lid, as well as unusual creaking sounds and misalignment between the screen and keyboard base. These symptoms are clear indicators of hinge damage, which is a common issue caused by frequent usage, improper handling, or physical stress. Upon initial inspection, our technicians verified that the hinge on one side of the laptop was either cracked or detached from its original mounting. The structural damage affected the alignment of the screen, and in some areas there was visible separation between the back panel and the display bezel. Continued use in this condition can cause internal wiring, such as the display cable and Wi-Fi antenna, to suffer additional wear or even breakage. To begin the repair process, the laptop was carefully disassembled. This included removing the bottom cover, keyboard assembly, and disconnecting internal components near the display hinge. Proper care was taken to avoid static discharge and damage to sensitive hardware components, such as the battery, motherboard, and display ribbon. Once disassembled, the damaged hinge and its mount were closely examined in the Inbook X1 XL11 model. The hinge mounts are typically held by a metal bracket attached to the internal chassis. If this bracket is broken or stripped, the hinge loses its support. In this case, we reinforced the internal hinge bracket and replaced any worn screws or fittings to ensure stability. Where necessary, a replacement hinge was sourced and installed. In some cases, original replacement parts for Inbook models may be hard to find locally. Fortunately, a compatible hinge was acquired and fitted securely to match the top specifications. Structural adhesives or epoxy were used to strengthen the mount, depending on the condition of the plastic casing. After reinstalling the hinge, the screen assembly was carefully reattached and tested for proper alignment. The laptop lid was opened and closed repeatedly to confirm smooth movement without stiffness or wobbling. Additional support was provided around the hinge area to help extend the hinge life and prevent future detachment. The device was then fully reassembled and all screws were tightened to manufacturer standards. A complete functionality check was performed, which included testing the display output, keyboard, touchpad, webcam, and all external ports. The laptop passed all post-repair tests and showed no further signs of mechanical stress around the hinge. Hinge repair is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.